Hi there, I am Em, and I'm so glad to welcome you here. Get comfortable, be my guest, and let's get started. We will work with very unusual trading session today. We will enter for 10 minutes for $15,000. It is enormous. So guys, wish me luck. I really need it. Let's go. Enter in the downtrend, 15 deals. Ten minutes. Right before we analyzed the graph for like 1 hour or even 1.5 hour, and we realized that the graph is downtrending. So just now I'm about to tell you why am I doing it. Despite very long time we analyzed it for different time frames. 10 minutes, 30 minutes, right? And it's 1 hour time frame. It is really helpful, it is really useful to show the graph movements. And on the 1 hour time frame, we saw that very so obvious candlestick on the graph of Amazon. Also, I want to say that we trade with our market trading. We work with our market trading and Amazon stocks, and this candlestic shows us that there was so big growth of the graph, and after that it got consolidated in the middle of the candlesticks, in the middle of this candlestick. And here is the interval of our movement. I hope that it will work out, and here we invested our prognosis in this little area. And indicators, it will be, now let's switch for 1 hour time frame to get it more clear. And indicators, it will be stochastic, of course. I really love it. It is Williams percentage, it is Aaron, and RCI. All of these graphs are our helpers. The indicators will prove why we are doing it, and I'm about to tell you step by step why we took such a risk. According to stochastic, there was a crossing of two lines. It says about switching the graph direction, and we can see this cross point got the previous peak point and then it went down. According to Williams percentage, we can see pretty similar situation, but with the resistance line. As for iron, the situation is quite more interesting. We can see, according to the red line, the downtrend, but according to the blue line, there is uptrend, but also a little down movement. But RCI is the general trend pattern, the general trend graph. It says that the graph strives not to really downtrend, but it got consolidated, and it's in the middle point of the graph. So that's why we entered the downtrend for such a big amount, and I eager to see how it will end up for us. Finger crossed, and let's set the 1 minute time frame, because I think it will be more representative. Just take a look how minimal our domination is in this interval. Our pattern is going to lower its course, but we can see this swinging around, we can see how it is volatile, and it can change every moment, even though we can have something about 6 more minutes. Everything can change every second, and we have 6 more minutes. But I hope that the graph won't make us nervous and it will confirm our pattern. So we are waiting on the deals to get closed. In any case, it will be one deal. I don't want to make it more. And if we succeed, we will earn something about $12,000 on the net profit. Isn't it great? We entered with 95 and 4, and now it is 95 and 1. So it's 3 points. We can see that the graph going upper, and it can't even get over it. It means that we won't earn, but we will lose something about $15,000 like it's happening right now. It is very unpleasant, but let's pull ourselves together, and there's 4 more minutes. Everything can change because we are working on binary options, and everything can change in good direction, everything can change in a very bad direction, and only time is our king, and we have to obey it. What we can see, it keeps swinging. The graph swinging around and our nerve cells are swinging around. It is so hard to understand, to realize that we are so minimal. So we have such a small advantage that it can take away from us. But I hope that the graph won't let us down, and it will take its correct direction. It will confirm our pattern and my suggestion, and I hope that it will work out. Still 95 and 1. 30 hundreds of points. Keep us away from the very crash. From the very crash, I mean. Not crash. Even if they are bouncing off, it will lead us to stabilization. Oh, okay. 95 and 4. 94 and 9. Half of the point. 2 more minutes before it closes, okay. 2 more minutes. Two minutes is just such an eternity. There's bouncing off, stabilization, volatility, market news, world news. I just can't imagine how it is nervous, how anxious it makes me feel. If you do the same, you know that feeling. If you are regular trading, okay, the pattern looks like it works out. I don't want to hurry up and to be happy and if we had more advantage, we wouldn't be so nervous. The bounce off in 2 points for just 1 minute, it is equal to some very volatile news, you know. It is harsh movement, and we don't like it here. few more seconds. 94 and 4. 1 point of advantage, and I think it will be enough for owners. I think it's enough for us to pull ourselves together and get calm, because we will earn, but it's still very tense, still a lot of tension. Few more seconds. There's bounce off, there's growth. Okay, the deals are closing. Yes, they are all in profit. It is so great. $13,000 of net profit. Wow, it is so good. I think it will be easy for today. It will be certainly enough. Wow, guys, it was something, you know. And well, if you want to do the same for living, if you want to make trading your main job, if you are ready to go here, and if you feel enough power and self-confidence and knowledge, I would be really glad if you join me on my way, and to get more information, to get access to my personal consulting and more patterns, more graphs, and more detailed description, you can follow the link below the video, which will lead you to my private Telegram channel. So for a very friendly entering fee, you will get access to everything that I just said. I will be happy to see you there, and I will be happy to see you in my next session. So subscribe on my channel and unmute the notification and trade with me.